Hey loves, welcome to CYB TV. This is Cherish, and yes, I know I sound crazy and I'm looking crazy right now, but yeah, I had, laryngitis and it's going away. Yeah, and then pregnancy hormones that haven't gone away. But all in all, I am back with another video. So I am doing a hair review on this new Eco Styler gel. This is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. I haven't done a wash and go on my natural hair in like forever, it seems like. And I literally just been washing it and like straightening it and all of that. So I am fresh out the shower. Sorry. Yeah, my hair was just dry. So what I did was, instead of washing my hair when I hopped in the shower just now, I just literally rinsed it with hot water because I didn't want to go in and wash my hair again because my hair was already dry and I just felt like it was fairly clean still from a few days ago. So I just wanted to wet it so I can do this wash and go. So I'm going to be using this Eco Styler as my styler. For my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. And I love this stuff. This stuff really works well in my hair. So I'm just going to go right into this. I really just want to see if these products are going to work really, really well with my hair texture to bring it out, because I do have fine, thin hair. Well, I believe I do. That's what I've been going off of ever since I was born. But I have fine, thin hair. And I don't know, I have different curl patterns, but it's really like not hard, but I've tried so many different products and I really like a defined wash and go, but also where it makes me look like I have full hair, because when you do a wash and go sometimes when you have fine thin hair, your hair can look really skimpy. And I don't want to look like I have skimpy hair all the time, you know. But I mean, it's a plus for straightening. Let me get my hair clips and then I'll be back and we'll get started. Okay, I'm back. So I like to start in the back of my hair. So we're gonna do that. I just got a hair tie. It is really late at night and I just really want to do this because I want to moisturize my hair and wear it in like the wash and go style for the next few days before I straighten it again. And I normally do a wash and go type of thing, but I don't wear it in the wash and go style. I would like put a hair piece on or something like that, but I would moisturize my hair as if I'm doing a wash and go after I've had it straight for a while, just to make sure I moisturize it. But I actually am going to wear my hair out. I'm not going to put anything on it or do like a, what is it called? I'm not going to, cover it up. I'm just going to rock my natural hair, okay? Can I do that? So this is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shea Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. And you guys, this stuff smells like Play-Doh. Anybody know what Play-Doh smells like? This is what this stuff smells like to me. But it works good. So I just put that on. And then I'm going to just continue on adding this. Oop, Lord Jesus. Let's not get a little carried away and break out my hair right now. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and continue putting in this leave-in conditioner. And by the way, time and time again, I've said this in my videos, I put a lot of product in my hair because I have highly porous hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Eco Styler. It says black castor and flaxseed oil. So this is the oil part of the lock method. Now this is kind of like getting into the review part. I like the container. I really do like this container. I like the color. If you see, it's like a little like a shimmery type of color, and yeah, I really like it. And then this top right here is what I'm talking about, like this right here. I like that top. So this is new. I haven't tried it. I just opened up everything, so I won't be on camera trying to struggle opening up everything. But I like how this top is. This is amazing. I will never lose a top again and dry out my gel. So this is, I just took a glob. This is a okay consistency. I just don't like that rubbery filling gel, like the Kinky Curly Cluster gel and the Cantu gel. It feels like this, like literally when you pick it up, it's like gloop and it's just slimy and slippery. I don't like that feeling. This is not like that so far. And I'm just gonna not even part it because I just really want to get this done. So I'm just gonna make sure I do hit the strands though. I'm gonna just put it on my hair like this. And you know what? I forgot. I needed to see if these two products even go together because I don't want the white residue. The things we have to go through. Oh my gosh. See, I don't know if these are blendable products, the leave-in conditioner and the gel. As you can see, it just like made my hair look super white. And I don't know. But I don't know. I like how the gel is clumping the curls together though. I likes that. I like that. Okay. Let's see, let's see, let's see. You see how that's looking? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got a little on my ear. I'm gonna do one side and then see how it looks compared to the other side. See if we can already see the difference. So I'm doing this to smooth my curls. That way once they form, it can have nice definition. Well, we're hoping for that. Then a little scrunch. Scrunch there, scrunch, you know. Ooh, this is a lot of product. But I'm telling you, my hair needs it. It's gonna soak it all up anyways. Okay. So this is what it's looking like so far. Compared to this side. Now I'm gonna finish the other side and I will be back to show you guys the results once it's all dried and you know I got my makeup on and all that. Hey love, so I am back. It's been a whole full day. So you guys saw me put in the gel and the leave-in, so you saw me do that process and everything. So after I put in all the product, I went on and let it air dry for maybe about a few hours, and then I put it up in the pineapple, and then after that I just wrapped a scarf around my head and then I went to sleep. So it's been pretty much a full day. And yeah, this is the finished results. And so pretty much I'm gonna jump right into it. So once I went, you know, got up in the morning and took down the pineapple, my hair was still like so wet, like super drenched, and I still had a lot of the white residue. Usually my hair soaks it up pretty quickly, but I think because of the combination of the leave-in conditioner and the gel just made my hair take forever to dry. Literally, it probably just dried a couple of hours ago and it's been like all day. I actually went walking outside in the, you know, kind of cool weather, and I think that helped it dry it a lot better. But overall, I would say it's a good product for a wash and go, but it's going to be hard to find like leave-in conditioners and other like creams to go with this. I wouldn't want to use a gel just by itself, so for me, I would just have to find a good product to go with this that won't make me have a lot of residue and something that does not take a long time to dry. But if you are someone that needs to go somewhere really fast and you want to kind of try to do a wash and go, I wouldn't recommend doing these two, because you're gonna have a lot of white residue, and yeah, it's not gonna look cute. So I would say you would have to do this like 2 days in advance, to be honest. And I wanted to read what it says. It says contains vitamin E, fiber, and omega. It promotes hair growth, shines, nourishes, repairs, and grows. No flake and anti-itch. That's what all this says on the container. And honestly, it does flake and it is drying for my hair. So I would say this is, you know, it looks good, but if you see, I can touch it, it flakes. It flakes. And I don't know if it's just the combination of the two, but it flakes. And I've used this in the past and I don't really remember it flaking too much. And what else? It is a light crunchy hold, so if you want to put like an oil on top of this just to soften it, I will recommend that. I didn't put an oil on it. I just wanted to show you guys pretty much how it looks after you guys saw me add in these products. But I did go in a little bit after it dried and added some of my Cantu moisturizing curl activator cream, because this actually mends it. I feel like this is really good. I actually used this by itself before and it works super good with my hair, and I felt like this really separated my curls and it really made my curls pop. I do think it did do that. But as far as keeping the definition throughout the day, I didn't think it did that too well. So I went through the little tips of my hair and just defined my curls a little bit more, because this really keeps the definition on my hair like pretty much all day. And all I have to do is reactivate it with water. But back to this is just what I feel about this product. I would say it is good, but it wouldn't be something I use all the time. It would just be if I wanted to switch it up a little bit. But I would say that my hair looks good. I did get the big poof. I did get the volume that I wanted for my hair. I do feel like the definition is good. And yeah, so overall, I would give this Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel a B. I would give it a B. It's average. It's not like, oh my gosh, it's like the best product for a wash and go. But it is good, and glad I tried it out. But you guys, this is the end of the video. I really have been just rambling. I know I had a long intro and now I'm having a long outro. But I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys like how my curls came out, if you like how this wash and go came out, then go ahead and subscribe and thumbs up this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. But I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.